वैष्णव्यो नमो नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा, श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंदा। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण माता जी।
Hare Krishna Mataji, thank you so much for that. We let everybody join, then finally we will all wish an India Mataji. Okay. Yeah, who can tell me what we have learnt in 9th chapter? After that, I'll welcome you all. Because only 3 of you are there right now, right? Yes. What did we learn in the last 2 days, 9th chapter? It will be a, what is that? For Ananya Mataji also it will be useful. Yes? Hare Krishna. Are you able to hear me? Yes, Prabhu. Ninth chapter talks about the full relation. We have seen, right? Bhagavad Gita is like Sambandha Gyan, Abhideya Gyan, Prayojana Gyan. Sambandha is the cause. Abhideya is the process. Prayojana is the result. So that means it is scientific. Science, Bhagavad Gita is science. It establishes the relation between cause and the effect. And the relation, the process, establishing process is Abhideya. Actually, that is Bhakti. We know Lord is everything. We are His part and parcel. He is our eternal Father. Everything, whatever we enjoy, the breath, what we breathe, what we eat, everything is the Lord only. So that's a relation. So what will happen to us if we know this knowledge? We will reach Him back. We are lost. We have lost our Father, eternal Father. And we are like, looking everywhere for the last Father. You see, if a parent, mother and father, if they lose their child in one of the exhibition, very big exhibition, what will happen? They'll keep on looking for the child, right? Where? Like a 21st century skill, you should not answer me. No, Mataji, they will announce. Anna? No. See, actually, these days, what do children say? No, the crow and the thirsty crow story. You tell them what answer they say. No, what do you think the crow would have done? This is what we do in the beginning. Don't tell the answer directly. No, stories also we have to create their inquisitiveness, explore. So we tell them, okay, it was feeling very thirsty, but a far away place we saw one pot, but there was very little water. So he didn't know what to do. So what do you think? What do you suggest? What do you think he would have done? What these children answer? Do you know any one of you? Hare Krishna? Yes? They tell the crow will go to a mall or departmental store, pick up a straw and come and drink. Like that. Anna? So like that you should not say the parents have lost the child in the exhibition, they will go and announce. No. That and we have to think that when the creation took place, like that, you think. So the child is lost. The parents are looking, isn't it? Same way, we have also lost our father. We have lost the connection also. We know, means we right now do not know where he is. But the scriptures and the spiritual masters help us to know where he is. After they tell us where he is, what is our relation with him, and also they tell how to go, which flight will go, how to, where from to buy the ticket, everything they tell. After that also, if we don't endeavor to find out which day, which flight I want to go, and how to arrange money, Lakshmi, for buying the ticket, all these things are our what do you call, Abhideya, process. We have to go through that. That's what Acharya says. How can we reach him? Satatam kirtayantum. Right? And so many verses. Ye yatamam prapatyante tamsataiva bhajamyaham. Tamsataiva bhajamyaham. Keep worshipping me. Also, they say the process is 3 S. Sadhu, Shastra and spiritual master. We have ABCD formula, one of the process. We have to eat only prasadam. Is it not? A, association. Then we have to read Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavatam. Everything they are telling. After that also, if we do not undertake the process, what will happen? But still, Krishna is so merciful. He is merciful even to the, what is that? That not neophyte. That four kind of people we saw, no? Namam dushkriti no mooda prabhadyanyena devata. Surim namam dushkriti no mooda. Prabhadyanyena anya devata. Maya apakrita jnanam asuram bhavam ashitaha. Four kind of people don't even look at him. For them also he is very, very merciful. After many births, he says, they will also come to me. I will help them to come to me. What is that? Bahunam janmanamante jnanavanma prapatyate. Vasudevam sarvam iti sa mahatma sudurlabha. That easily you won't get those kind of people who realize that he is the only destination. He is also waiting there with his arms open. There's actually a beautifully electrified cage, the rat, that story, but it will take time, I'm not telling. So Lord is opening his hand and it is he is waiting over there. Just think, full story I'm not saying, just think. The rat cage is there. Cage, the door is open. Inside, nice food is there. So nice and yummy. And it is relishing. It does not notice that after this, the door will anytime close, I'll be caught. So he could have done. And the Lord is waiting outside. Don't get entangled in that Maya. Come out, come out. I'm waiting for you. I will embrace you. Okay. So Hare Krishna. Till yesterday, what did we see? We saw all the relation with the Lord. Is it not? What is our relation? And in the next chapter, beautifully that Chatushloki is coming, no? In that we will see how beautifully it explains us the relation. Okay, so yesterday what did we see? 17th verse we saw. Yeah, you remember that was the Vishwato Mukha. 17th verse was what? 1 second, I will go back to the 17th verse. Give me a minute. Back. It's not going back. Pitahamasya Jagato Mata Data Pitamaga. You have the book, no? You see, it's not going back. Pitahamasya Jagato Mata Dhata Pitamaga Vedyam Pavitra Omkaram Rik Sama Yajur Yevacha. Okay, Rik Sama Yajur only it is said. In after 2-3 verses after also we will have Trividya. So there also 3 Vedas only said. Actually speaking 3 Vedas, you know. Riksama Yajur. Atharan Veda is the picking up the highlight of all the Vedas and it is a compilation of whatever is very, very important from all 3 Vedas. It is said in this chapter, 2 places it is said. Okay. Now the Lord is saying that I am the Veda. Of course, who gave the Veda? Who taught the Vedas to Brahma? He is telling in Bhagavatam, no, first verse, first chapter, first canto. Tene Brahma Hridaya Adi Kavaye. I went into Brahma. He was getting, perplexed, not knowing in this dark where I have come, what am I supposed to do? What is my duty? He was not having goal. So he heard only 2 words. Tapa, tapa. He understood. He's Brahma. He said, oh, he did not know the Lord, but he knows whoever has given me birth, maybe he is only instructing me that tapa. So he went into austerity, that meditation for years. During that time, the Lord came and gave the Chatushloki Bhagavatam. Tomorrow we'll learn Chatushloki Bhagavad Gita in the 10th chapter. Same way Chatushloki Bhagavatam, it beautifully talks about all the Sarga, Visarga, Poshan. What are these things? Topics, different topics of Bhagavad Gita. Sarga, primary creation, Visarga, secondary creation, Poshan, protection, how he protects every living entity. Like that, it has got 10 different topics. Bhagavatam. And it is also said, why I'm saying, because we know ABCD formula to reach the Lord. That's why I'm highlighting. And that first two cantos are the 2 feet of the Lord. So like that, when we come to the 10th chapter, it is the face of the Lord. So everything, same way, Brahmana, Vaishya, Kshatriya, Shudra. Brahmanas. Brahmanas are born from his upper portion, head. Vaishyas are, they work, work, agriculture, trade, everything. So they are born from his bhuja. Shudras, they are born from the lower portion of the body. And who is a Vaishya? Belly. They come out from the belly. Sorry, Vaishya I have told. Brahmana here, Kshatriya. Kshatriya is from his chest portion. Okay, so Bhagavan, everything is, Bhagavan himself has told. Everybody is asking, Shonakadi Muni. Who are Shonakadi Muni? In the Naimisharanya forest, they are the ones who have assembled to do 1,000 years of yajna, because they saw the Kali Yuga beginning. Dwapara Yuga is ended, over. Kali Yuga is about to beginning. That time itself said, the situation of Kali Yuga. Oh, how people are going to get elevated in this age. So let us all do big yajna for the welfare of the citizen. So they all have assembled in Naim Charanya, and they are doing 1,000 years of yajna. That time, one day, after finishing the yajna duty, etc., everything, Suta Goswami is also there. Who is Suta Goswami? He is a senior Vaishnava who directly heard the Bhagavatam when Shukadeva Goswami was telling Parikshit Maharaj. Directly heard. Also, his father is what's that? Vaishampayana. Vaishampayana, see, Veda was initially only one. Then big book. When Vedavyasa came and he saw Kalavasmin Drishe Sejanaha. What is it? That in Kali Yuga, Prana Alpa Ayu Yuga Sabhyaha, Kalavasmin Yuge Janaha, Manda, Sumanda Matayo, Manda Bhagya Hipatritaha. Kali Yuga people, what happened? Life is very short, they keep fighting everything. How they will read such a big Bhagavatam? So let me help them. So he divided into 4 to help, so that we will be, like at least it will motivate us. See, actually, in school also, when children see science book very big, they get very perplexed. So what they do, physics separately, bio separately, they tear it and they get it bound, so that it motivate them, small books like that. So Vedavyasa gave, so that, and Vedavyasa, when he divided, he gave different portion to different people. Jaimini, he gave one, I think, Rigveda, and like that, Yajur, Sama, Atharva. Tomorrow I'll tell. I have a little doubt. I don't want to tell. Tomorrow I'll confirm and tell who all got what. And that time, Suta Goswami's father also got one part. And Vedavyasa kept the Puranas and Upanishads with him only. And these people spread those Veda. Wherever, whichever part they went, they spread that particular Veda. So like that it came, no? Okay. So that is why Pitamasya Jagato, I am your father. Pitamasya Jagato, Mata, Data, Pitama, everything is me. Your mother is me, your father is me, your grandfather is me. That is true. Great-grandfather, everything me only, Krishna says, okay? So that's what yesterday we saw that. He showed it in the Vishwa Rupa Darshanam also, he told. So here it is saying, Ananya Mataji, read Mataji. From in the material world, Krishna has all the relation.
Mataji, I cannot show the screen.
Till now, I have not shared.
No.
Yeah, okay. Yes. So you all did not see the previous slide, right? Okay. Previous slide is nothing. You remember that Vishwarupa Darshana was there, no? That one. Yes, Mataji, go ahead.
Hare Krishna, Mataji, the
Hare
most
Krishna.
confidential knowledge. Krishna as the relationship, all the relationship. Seeing everything as a manifestation of God, Krishna, in the material existence, we create different relationships with different living entities who are nothing but Krishna's marginal energy. Under the creation of Prakriti, some of the appear of our father, mother, grandfather, creator, etc. But actually they are part and parcel of Krishna. Father, mother, support and grandchild. All these relationships in the material world are part and parcel of Krishna, which implies they are Dhata, implies creator or supporter, purifier. The
Actually,
subject
Data
matter,
means giver, dene wala. So he has given us the entire universe, right? For us, the material nature he has given, and also he is supporting. Yes, Mataji, go ahead.
purifier, purifier, the subject matter which helps us to purify constitutional relationship position is Omkara, a transcendental sound
Position is
vibration.
also. Constitution position in also. Yes, Mataji.
Omkara, a transcendental sound vibration in all Vedic mantras, is therefore all the Vedas,
One
because
second.
all
What?
the high
Sorry. Yes, now you read, Mataji. Are you able to see
Omkara,
the full one?
yes, no.
Mm.
Omkara, a transcendental sound vibration in all Vedic mantras, is therefore Krishna. All the Vedas, because all the hymns have Omkara, therefore it is Krishna. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. He told in the 7th chapter also, Kam mano buddhiryevacha. That sound vibration is me only. So sound vibration is Om. These are the letters first came. Om. That is what is Om. Right? So Krishna tells, I'm the father and mother and grandchild, everything me. Because Brahma is our great grandfather. And Krishna is his father also. And he is the giver, he is the purifier. Because the more karma we do, the karma helps purify our heart. Our heart is purified. What will be revealed? Our constitutional position in our heart will be revealed. That we all belong to Krishna's home, the world, his Goloka, and we have to go. We will come to know about that. And Omkara is the sound vibration, we know. So all the Vedas, any Veda mantra you say, Om Shamno, like Om it starts, right? Om Sarve Bhavantu. So everything starts. All the Vedic mantras starts from Om, correct? Hare Krishna. Yes, Mataji, go ahead. 2 slides per person. Okay.
Hare Krishna,
And
Mataji.
then Hare Krishna.
9.18. I am the goal, the sustainer, the master, the witness, the abode, the huge and the most dear friend. I am the creation and annihilation, the basis of everything, the resting place is the seed eternal.
Hare
9.19. O
Krishna.
Arjun.
Mataji, 1 minute. Those who have
Okay.
the book, please keep the book ready with you, know, and you can open 9th chapter and 19th verse. Yes, Mataji, go ahead.
9.19. O Arjuna, I control heat, the rain, and the drought. I am immortality, and I am also death personified. Both being and non-being are in me. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Bol, Hare Krishna. Now you tell me, Krishna himself has told, I am the goal. Means what? You have to come to me back. It's like a holiday vacation. Wherever you go, we have to come home back. We can't sit in the hotel thinking the hotel is mine only. And I can change everything. I can change the curtain. I can change the sofa. Do we do like that? No, we stay there for some time and we come back. Similarly, this material world is like a hotel for us. The Lord has given it. But due to our ignorance, Avajananti Mamuda, he himself says, Muda, that word so many times he tells, right? So we all are foolish people. We think this material world is mine. We try to lord over the nature. We don't understand we have come here as a refuge. The Lord wanted to purify us. We didn't have the purest heart when we were with Him. We had what is that? Enviness. We had the pride with us. That is why He sent us back, giving such a big, because we wanted to enjoy independent of Krishna. Why only everybody is asking Krishna, he is enjoying everything. Why can't I also? That is the senses are the reason. The why Mataji, there to transcendental senses. No, yeah, but the free will is always there. We can use the free will anyway. Even if we are not seeing with our eyes, if we see with our mouth also, the mouth can think that I want to see this beautiful thing. Like that, it can think, right? So that is why we came. So the main purpose of taking us back there is to prepare us to live there in His world. If we are going to any other country, we prepare ourselves for that country and go, no? Means what? If we are going to Europe and in the peak winter, -50 also sometimes it may go. So we take woolen clothes like that. That boot, what is that? Snow boots, etc. We practice and go. So Krishna is giving us the practice. How is he giving us the practice? Sometime by giving good things. Maybe in the past we have done good things. So he said, okay, you did good things with all the problems. So it is my duty to reciprocate. You did bad things. I have to punish you. Because if I don't punish you, if the child is eating rubber or any filthy thing, will the parents keep quiet? Parents will correct. They won't keep quiet, let him eat. So the Lord has to correct us. If a child is cheating in the examination, the invigilator will definitely catch the child. If the child is disturbing the teacher, or if the child is making fun of a teacher inside the classroom, the teacher will send that child out. It's a duty of the teacher, but at the same time, now next verse will come. Samoham sarvabhuteshu. If the teacher is equal to everybody, but those who are sitting in front and asking all the question and answering all the question, obviously the teacher will be little partial to that child. At the same time, somebody is sitting at the back side and drawing the face of a teacher as a monkey, she will punish the child. It is her duty to punish the child. Like you remember the story, one person was in jail. He was a big thief. Well, okay, maybe imagine bank robbery, and he is next day supposed to be put into capital punishment. So the judge is asking, next tomorrow you will be, I mean, what do you say, execution. You will be executed. So what do you want? What is your last wish? He says, my last wish is, instead of me, you execute my mother. Because when I was very small, the first time when I brought my classmates, desk mates, pencil and rubber, if she had corrected me, I would not have become a bank robber. She did not correct me. So it is the Lord's duty to correct. We should never think why the Lord is so partial. Well, these people, my neighbors, they never go to temple. They are not at all good people. They don't even give 1 rupee charity. But the Lord is blessing His mercy on them. So actually, it happened. No, that story I have already told you. Krishna and Arjuna went, and they were roaming around, going. So they saw one. What do you call that? Materialistic person. They went to his home and they welcomed both of them, Krishna and Arjuna, and then finally while leaving, and he told, please bless me. Okay, the Lord blessed him. You will have more bungalows, you will have more wealth, like that he blessed him and went. And then far away they went. It was night then. So they saw a very, very small house. Only 2-3 people can sleep there, like that one house. So they knocked the door. One very old lady opened the this thing, what do you call? Opened the door. And then she welcomed it. She saw them. She welcomed them. So lie down. She was sitting and she gave the place for both of them to sit and sleep. Sorry, lie down and sleep in the night. So while leaving, she told him, Krishna bless me. So Krishna blessed her. You have one cow. No, that cow also will die tomorrow. Arjuna was so perplexed. What kind of nyaya you are doing, Krishna? He was a very rich man. You told him he will get more. And this lady has got only one cow and you told her that also will come. Yeah, that is what. The asakti. We call it as Shraddha Sadhusanga Bhajana Kriya Anartha Nivarti. Ruchi asakti. That asakti should be only towards the Lord. If we have more material things, we will be attached to more material things. If we have 5 cars, we are attached to all the cars. And to maintain all the cars, we'll appoint somebody. If you have 5 bedrooms, we need 2 maid servants. So like that, So it is, we need to take care of them also. So all our attention, everything is getting diverted in that only. We can't do any devotional service. So the Lord only what does he, if he knows somebody deserves to come back to me, he will take all the wealth. This is what we say. It doesn't mean that, oh, I don't want to worship Krishna only. He will take all my wealth. Like Kunti tells, no, Kunti Maharaj, Vipata Santuta, you give me more troubles, Krishna, so that whenever trouble is there with me, you are also there. We don't even know how we surpass those troubles. Isn't it? So Krishna told, see that man, that rich man, he has got so much asakti in the materialistic things. So I thought, let him not come to me. Let him keep on janma mrityu jara vyadhi dukkha dosha anudarshanam. So I gave him blessing that he will keep on coming and he will keep on suffering with the three miseries of this universe. But this lady wants to come in. She's my devotee. She wants to come to me, but she's now attached to the cow. That is why she's not able to leave. The body, soul is not able to leave. We say no. Well, like some people are on the deathbed. What you call her grandson or daughter, she may be too attached. If she sees them, soul will pass like that, and all we say, no, we are too attached. So said she's too attached to the cow. So I take the cow back. Now, nothing is there for her to get attached. She will come to me. She will only be attached to me in that case. Okay, Hare Krishna. Yes, now we will read fast, okay? Hare Krishna. Yes. So Krishna tells, I am the goal, I am the sustainer, everything is me only. Who is having a doubt here? Why Krishna is going on telling again and again, I am. Anybody having doubt? Because we all are Avajananti Mamuda. After he telling me so many times also, when we keep this book down, we don't think that maybe I don't think that this is Krishna himself. I have to keep it in the altar or I have to keep it very carefully. So like that, so many times he tells we don't understand. That's why he's going on telling nothing. If the Prime Minister is going for propaganda before the election, you see, every MLA, every minister, whoever is contesting, Radha, they all will say, I will do this, this is mine, I did this last time. They themselves, this people who are going to die sooner or the later, if they are thinking I am permanent and everything is mine, why not the Lord who is a creator? What is that? Okay, GOD only you say. What is the acronym of GOD?
Sorry, ma'am.
GOD. Acronym. G for what? O for what? D for what?
G for generator, O for operator, D for destroyer.
Hari bol. Very nice. Yes. So this is what is God. When he is a generator, operator, and the destroyer. So why can't he say all these things? Hare Krishna. Okay, so Arjuna is finally telling, Krishna only is telling Arjuna, oh Arjuna, though I have created everything, I am free from all of that. Nothing can bind me. I am Swarat. Tene Brahma Hridaya Adi Kavas. What is it? Janmadasya eton anvayat itaratas. Chartveshva abhijna. Itaratas. Directly and indirectly, I know everything. That is abhijna. Abhijna is cognizant. I know everything. Then Swarat. I am totally independent. I am not dependent on anything or anybody. Like material things we may detach, but the mother and the child, we can't detach them. They will always be attached to each other. But I am not like that. In the one of the opulence, it comes no a detachment. The last opulence, all wealth, beauty, strength, fame, knowledge, and detachment. So he is detached from everything. So many examples are there if we need to tell how Krishna detached everything. So many are there. When he was born only, he had to leave his parents and go. And when he was so attached to Vrindavan Vasis, Krura came to call him. He had to leave everything and go. He was so attached to Pandavas, he had to go to Dwaraka. There the kingdom was, like this Yadus were fighting with each other. Okay, okay. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. It's okay. Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadhi is actually compared to the giant wheel. Sometimes we go up, sometimes we come down in the giant wheel, isn't it? So sometimes we go up, even if we go to the heavenly planet, then again we have to come. Yes.
Hare Krishna.
Yes, Mataji.
Those who study the Vedas and drink the Soma juice, seeking the heavenly planets, worship me indirectly. They take birth on the planet of Indra, where they enjoy godly delights. That is 20 verse. 21st verse says, when they have thus enjoyed heavenly sense pleasure, they return to this mortal planet again. Thus, through the Vedic principles, they achieve only flickering happiness. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. You all have the book, no? Just see. I told no, three Vedas only have been highlighted in this chapter. So that 9.20 also, it is three Vedas. Trividyamam Soma Puta Papa. So this is Puta Papa. What is Puta Papa? It will eradicate all the sins. So all this, what the Devatas drink so much juice, no? It is, we should not think it is like somewhere it is. All those who are that impersonalist and Mayavadis, they all compare these things to liquor. That's why I'm saying this. It's not that. This soma juice, what the Devatas drink, it liberates a person from the sins. Puta Papa. Trividya, three Vedas. Trividya mam, soma puta papa, nis yajnairištva, swargatim pratayante. So one who performs this, what do you call that? Worship. Performing means performing devotional service. Whoever performs a devotional service directly or indirectly, what will happen? They will only go to the Kai, the giant wheel, they will go up. Means what? They will go to the upper planetary system, Swarga, heaven. They will go. What will happen after going to the Swarga, heaven? They have to come down when the pious credit is over. Who remembers the verse? I keep telling almost all, invariably every alternate day I say. When the pious credit gets over, they have to fall down from the planet because only from this Matir Loka, only through this human body, they can cross over this, what is it? Ocean. Mayam yetam tarantite. Right? Krishna only tells, I will help you to cross over this material ocean. Yes?
Is Devi Esha Ma'am?
No, Mataji, no, in this chapter, 9.21, I am saying. Yeah, that is in 7th chapter, he is telling, I am the Maya, it's very difficult to overcome. 9.21, Tetam Gatva Swargalokam Vishalam. But Chine Punye, when the pious credits get over, Martir Lokam Vishanti. We all again fall down to this Bhuloka. Is it not? And thus, through the Vedic principles also tell this only. But the Vedic principles, happiness is flickering happiness. That's not the permanent happiness. What is permanent happiness? Go back to Goloka. Or actually, we should not keep on saying go back to Goloka. Because devotees don't want liberation also. And 5 types of mukti. Sayujya, Sarupya, Samipya mukti. I want to go near the Lord in his loka. Sarupya, I want to look like the Lord. No. But the devotees want, what do they want? I need all the time and opportunity to serve you at your lotus feet. That is a permanent happiness. That is why Brahman effulgence, when people merge with the Brahman, we say there is no action. It's like suicide, Atma. What is a spiritual suicide, we say, no? Because except for Goloka, there is no other upper planetary system, any activity can be done. Without activity, how can yesterday we saw? How can the Atma keep quiet? When the Atma is inside this body only, it is so active. And when it is liberated, it is freely roaming around the Atma. Now, how can it keep quiet? So it needs action. So if we arrest that Atma in the Brahma Jyoti, it will not be happy. It commits suicide there. Is it not? That is why it said. Ishopanishad, it is said that the merging with Brahman is equal to Atmaha. The verse ends with Atmaha. Atmaha means spiritual suicide. Okay? So like a giant wheel, this cycle also up and down, up and down. So sometimes we do all the, pious karma get accumulated like anything and we go up. Once that credit gets over, we come down. So that a beautiful example of cycle also is given, no? Going up and coming down like that. Okay, Hare Krishna. Asha Mataji, did you read two slides? Two
No,
slides.
it is second.
Yes,
It is
yes,
second.
Mataji. Read. Oh, sorry.
The most confidential knowledge, results of the demigod worship, that is Karma Kanda. Worshipping Krishna indirectly, that is perform yajna to get swarga. When they acquire enough credits, goes to demigod's planets, that is Loka, enjoys lot of pleasure. Hare Krishna Mataji.
After that, what happens? Credits are over, come and fall down in this material world, okay? And this is acha, previous verse is not given here. Chikram Bhavati Dharmatma. One second, give me. Back, it doesn't go only. It's not going back. So 9.21 verse is actually Tetam Gatva. You all know that, right? So that remember. Though the higher planetary system, Swargaloka is very, very vast, once the pious credits are over, we have to come back. So every one of you have to remember that, okay? And this was very, very important verse. The LIC used to use this verse as their advertisement. You remember Yoga Kshemam like this, that LIC hands will be there, they are giving protection. Yoga Kshemam Vahamyaham. That Akbar's story also, you all know that I have told. Who remembers the story, Akbar's story? Okay, who remembers Arjunacharya's story? Forgot. Arjunacharya, should I give you a hint? He cut this word, Yoga Kshemam Vahamyaham, in the Bhagavad Gita book. Okay. So there was an Arjunacharya. Yes.
He was left home some work after some devotees. Actually, Krishna and Balarama himself, they came, they gave some ration, I think.
Yes, Hari Bol, Hare Krishna. Yes, Prabhuji. So actually, he was very poor. He did not have anything to eat also. So even daily he used to read Bhagavad Gita. Then one day he got very angry. And this Krishna is saying, I will give you what you don't have. In my home, there is no grains for even cooking for one meal. So why he is telling this, he cut it. And he went for again Madhukari to ask Bhavati Bhikshandehi. And when he went in anger, after some time, somebody knocked at the door. Arjunacharya's wife went and saw two young boys were there with lot of loads. And they came inside on their own, only unloaded everything. And she asked, who are you, all this thing? He said, don't ask us anything. Your rude husband, he is very cruel. He has only sent everything. And you take everything. We are in a great hurry. We have to go. So when they turned, what she told, you please wait, I will make prashadam and give. They said, no, your husband, if he comes, he will hit us more. So let us run away before your husband comes. So they turned. When they turned, she saw in that white boy's, fair complexion boy's back, there was one blue line like this. And they ran away. So within no time, Arjunacharya came. He was so surprised to see the house full of ration. When he asked, what happened? Who brought all this? Said, don't admit, you have only sent everything and you hit those boys also. Why are you acting? So he then said, I don't understand anything what you are saying. Then she explains the whole story. But Arjuna Acharya is a great Bhagavata. Bhagavata means who reads Krishna Katha, etc. Daily he reads Bhagavad Gita, right? So he understood. Immediately he understood. He straight paid obeisances under her lotus feet. Oh, you had the opportunity of seeing Krishna and Balram directly. You had the opportunity to feed them, talk to them, welcome them. I'm so fallen. Then she told her, but you have hit them like anything. That boy who was very fair, at his backside, I saw how badly you have hit him. There was a long blue mark. He ran to that altar, took the Bhagavad Gita book. He rubbed that, what he has done. He understood. I cut it here means kiss. This is Krishna. Just now I told you, we should not keep this down at all. Down we should never keep. Okay, Krishna himself. Okay, so that is what. So Krishna, and that Akbar story I'm not telling now. Hare Krishna. I have told about this story. You all have forgotten. Yes. Hare Krishna. Loknath Prabhu, go ahead.
Yes, Mataji. Bhagavad Gita 9.23 ये प्य अन्य देवता भक्ता यजन्ते श्रद्धायान्वितः ते पी माम एव कुन्त्य यजन्ते अविधि पूर्वकाम. Whatever a man may sacrifice to other gods, O son of Kunti, is really meant for me alone, but it is offered without true understanding.
Hare Krishna. If you all remember Govardhan Leela, Krishna stopped the Indra Yajna, is it not? And Krishna told Vasudeva, you all give the do Yajna for the happiness of who is that? Govardhan. Right? He said, because Govardhan is the one who feeds you. You all are thinking Indra is giving rain. Indra's duty is to give rain. I have appointed them for only that purpose. Whether you do yajna or not, he will give rain. But still we do yajna. Why? Because not only just a gesture of showing our gratitude, but also these devatas, whatever we offer them, they offer the same thing in return. They don't keep anything with themselves. They directly give it to Krishna. So through them, we do all these sacrifices for the pleasure of Krishna. Yepya anya devata. Other than Krishna, any other devata. If you worship, if you do that, what do you call that, yajna, or any other austerity if you perform, yajanti means to worship. Any other worship you do, what will happen? Actually, you are worshipping me only. But you are doing against the rituals. Avidhi Purvaka. Avidhi means against the rules. Is it not? Actually, when you sacrifice to all the devatas, it is actually equal to sacrificing to me only. But you are doing it in a wrong manner. You are not doing it in the right manner. Avidhi Purvakam. Vidhi means correct, rules and regulation. Avidhi. You are not following the rules and regulation. That is why you are offering, what do you call that? Yajna ahutis to all the devatas. So you are supposed to give it to me. That's the right way. See, if a tree is there, watering the leaf, fruit, flower, everything is avidhi purvaka. Maybe we are pouring like that and the water falls down only. So root only takes it. But this is not the right process. Right process is pour water at the root. That's the right process. Isn't it? But even if you do that, maybe all the parts of the tree may not flourish only. Every part may not get. Because the root's job is to take water to all the whole part of the tree. Only then the tree will nourish. So similarly, if you sacrifice, fire sacrifice, if you all do it to me, Devatas will be very, 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 very happy than doing it for himself, themselves. So Krishna says, Vaishnava Seva, Vaishnava Seva. More than doing Seva to me, you do Vaishnava Seva. So that is highlighted. Always, yesterday, day before also we saw, Narada Muni became Narada Muni because he got the opportunity of serving those Vaishnavas during the Chaturmasya, the 4 rainy season month. Because sages don't travel. Rainy season, what happened? All the reptiles, everything come out. They all, those days, they all used to go through forest, etc. And by walk. It rains also. They fall sick. Reptiles come. There is a harm, chances of harm are more. So during rainy season, they never used to go out. And so many rituals are there in ISKCON, but every ritual is scientific, that you remember. Okay, no ritual is just for the sake of giving it is given. Every ritual has got science behind it. Hare Krishna, Loknath Prabhu.
The most confidential knowledge, text 23, demigods worship without knowledge of Krishna's supremacy is called avidhi purvakam. It is a sign of less intelligence because such worship is offered to me only but indirectly. 3 analogies for indirect worship of Krishna as an improper method: pouring water on the leaves and branches and not the roots, feeding different parts of the body and not the stomach, not follow the laws of the government and offering a bribe to the officers.
Hare Krishna, Hari Bol. Thank you, Prabhuji. See another one, same way. Do we feed to our hand, mouth, head, brain, etc. separately? Do we do? No, we feed the stomach. The stomach distributes the nourishment to the whole body, as the roots distribute the nourishment to the whole tree. Is it not? So that means if we worship the Supreme Personality of Godhead, all other devatas will be automatically pleased. But in the process of trying to please the devatas, we are not able to please the Supreme Personality of Godhead. He himself is saying, you worship me, then all the devatas will be very much satisfied. That's what. Not to follow the laws of government and offering a bribe. See, okay, we travel. So there is a signal. We didn't see the signal. We crossed the signal. So the police will make a challan. Challan is for 500 rupees. What we are doing, array, please don't do that. Take 300 rupees and leave me. Is it correct? Not to follow the laws of government. And we are giving bribe to the officers. Same thing, big things happen in government office. All of us know. Simple example is helmet and traffic light. We all, those who do not obey to these traffic rules, they try to bribe the government. They try to bribe the government officials. That is wrong. That's a wrong way of worshipping them. Worshipping is what? Yes, you take this 300. No, we show love to them. You're such a nice person. Take this 300. That's what it is. Devotional service is what? Showing love to the Supreme Personality of Godhead. That is true. That should be ahaituki apratikata anya vilashita shunyam. That should be okay. Hare Krishna. So this giving bribe is not the right way of worshipping. Hare Krishna. But devatas are also like, I will tell you. Devatas and other devatas, other demigods. We saw yesterday only one more verse. Ekatvena Pritakwena Bahuda Vishwatomukam. You remember? Ekatvena. One good thing, they are the God. I do all good things, so I am the God. Ekatvena. Bahuda. People worship all other demigods. Who all are the 33,000 devatas? In fact, if go to villages and see, they will worship the tree also. They will say, in this tree, Bhuta is there, means a ghost is there. So we are worshipping this tree. And somebody, if they fall sick, they will say, Iske upar shaitan chad gaya. They will bring them to a tree and they will do something, some ritual, and they will say, Iska shaitan utar raha hai. Like that they will say. Right? So that means these all are avidhi purvakam. We all know that. Okay. Yes. Last one, Mataji, 9.24. Sorry, who was reading? Loknath Prabhu.
Result of such worship, what happens to such worshippers? They simply fall down. Discuss in next verse, Bhagavad Gita 9.24.
Yeah, 9.25 will tell what will happen. That means what is their destiny. So 9.4 tells, and what is that? I am. Again it is come. See, nice was this also. Aham hi sarva yajnanam bhokta cha prabhurevacha. I am hi sarva yajnanam. Whatever purnahuti you give in the yajna, thinking Indra, Chandra, and so many other demigods are there, no? Varna, Agni Dev, all those people. So, aham hi sarva yajnanam. Bhoktacha Prabhurevacha. Even if you give it to them, I am the ultimate enjoyer. You remember 5.29? Bhoktaram yajya tapasam sarvaloka maheshwaram suhritam sarvabhutanam nyatva amam shantim richati. Same, one who knows that I am the enjoyer, they will give it to me. When they know I am enjoying, why will they give all the way to somebody else who is not enjoying, not able to enjoy? Okay, so it's Natmam Abhijananti Tatve Vatna Tashwavantitaha. One who does not know me, they will only perform all these activities which are not transcendental and they will fall down. Okay, this is the reason for falling down. If we do transcendental activities, we will never fall down. Yes. Okay, next slide, right? 1 minute. Yes, Prabhu. Read, Prabhu.
Aham hi sarvam yajnanam bhokta cha prabhur eva cha na tu mam abhijananti tatvenatas chavanti te. I am the only enjoyer and master of all sacrifice. Therefore, those who do not recognize my true transcendental nature fall down.
Hare Krishna. Yesterday also we Savajananti Mamuda. Manushim Tanumashritam. When I come in the form of, when I deride in the form of Manushim, when I come in the human form with the two hands, people consider me like a normal human being. They don't consider me as the Supreme Personality of Godhead. But I am the ultimate enjoyer, Bhoktaram. And I am the master of sacrifices, Yajna Tapasam. And I am seated in everybody's heart. That comes in that verse 5.29. But here, what he is saying, those who do not recognize me, that I am the Lord. It's what is that verse? Vadanti tat vidas tattvam yajnanam advayam brahmeti paramatmeti bhagavan iti shaktate. No, not that. Ete chamsha kalapumsam krishnastu bhagavan swayam. Krishna is Bhagavan himself. Etecham amsha kala pumsam. All 64 amshas, kalas, he is possessing, he is come in that form. Right? But people are ignorant. They don't understand. What is it? Avidya. Avidya is the root cause. What is the root cause for non-understanding? Krishna, avidya. And one more thing, yesterday we saw, avidya ko vidya samajhte hain, anitya ko nitya samajhte hain. Ulta we understand, no? Body is perishable, soul is eternal. But we think the reverse. Same way this also. That is, that is what is permanent. And here what is perishable. Yes. So, yes, who is that next? Ritvika Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. All of you recite this. After this four shloka, everybody has to recite. These four and train by heart also. Yanti deva vrita devan pitrin yanti pitrivritaha.
Yanti deva vrata devan pitrin yanti pitravrataha.
Bhutani yanti bhutejya yanti madhyajinopi mam.
Bhutani yanti bhuteya yanti madhyajino apimam.
Hari Bol. Thank you. Yes, Ritvika Mataji, read the translation.
Okay, Mataji. Those who worship the demigods will take bath among the demigods. Those who worship gods and spirits will take bath among such beings. Those who worship ancestors go to the ancestors, and those who worship me will live with me.
Hari Bol. This Hare Krishna. This is another verse which tells that we will go to Krishna. So many verses we saw, no, from 8.5, 8.7, like that. This is another verse. And 8.16, so many verses we saw. Here Krishna is telling, you will come to me and you will live with me. So we don't have to ask for liberation. We should never pray for liberation. We should ask for devotional service, because those who worship me, they will come and live with me. Whom we worship, there are people in villages, as I told now. See the last picture, they are worshipping the tree, because they are not actually worshipping the tree, they are worshipping the ghost which is in the tree. So many are there, remote places, especially in India, of course. Right? Similarly, those who are worshipping devatas, they will go to Devaloka. Those who are worshipping the Pitrus, so there are some people who do lot of, what do you call that? Pitru Puja. This puja I wanted to tell, no, that word. See, who and when and all, if I start telling, it will take a long time. We will lose on time. See, any temple we do puja. But you go to ISKCON temple, what happens? We chant, we dance, we sing. Is it not? So, puja means what? We are taking one, nariyal and 2 banana and giving to the pandit. And by the time pandit to do Om Namaha, 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 whatever he does, Here we will be praying. Oh Bhagavan, whoever is the Bhagavan, we say, Dhanam Dehi, Putram Dehi, Vidya Dehi, Rupam Dehi, like that. Give, we will ask. That is puja. Right? But when we go to ISKCON, what will happen? We chant there. We chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has said this. You chant and you will come back to me. Kali Yuga Yajna, sacrifice. Kali Yuga, self-realization, different tools, all of you know so well. Satya Yuga, Treta Yuga, Dwapara Yuga, and Satya Yuga, Kali Yuga. So, Lord is giving us an opportunity to chant His name in all His temples. Then also we don't go to temple. I also don't go to temple once in a month or twice, thrice in a month. He gives invitation to everybody, but to those who are a part to His mercy only get the opportunity to go daily. Daily going for Mangaluru. As Prabhuji said that day, and like we can see in the online. Oh, I told no. Oh, Vamshidhar Prabhu, I'm really, really sorry. I kept on thinking I promised something. Two things I promised. One is I had to send to add Prabhu, Viraj Prabhu, no, that to the group. That I did. One more, what I was thinking. Right now I'll do Prabhuji. After the class is over, give me 1 minute. I'll share it with you. Yes.
So, ma'am, I am added.
Yes, Prabhu. I did not forget I added. But Vamshidhar Prabhu asked for the link, to send the recording for Bhagavad Gita, reciting on Ekadashi Day. Yes. Okay. Now next, Ritvika Mataji, this is over. You read this, but this we will discuss and come. So that means we are going to the next section. Next section is what? Lord wants us to go to Him back. So Krishna established the relationship with Him. What is the relation? He is everything. Bhumi, Apo, Anal, Vayu. And He is the material nature. He is the Devata. He is only the Devatas. In the sense, with His order, Devatas are acting. So everything is the Lord, He told. Even if you worship Devata, go anywhere, you will fall down. Finally, you will come to me from here only. I will give you that knowledge how you have to come to me. Anasaktasya vishayan yatargam upayinjate nirbandhe Krishna sambandhe yukta vairagyam yujyate. He told, no, that Krishna tells, use everything in my service. Anything you see, remember Krishna. Water is there, pure water, you think, I can take this water and give you Abhishekam, do Abhishekam to Krishna. Like that, simple example I am saying. So 26 to 34, at least 26, 27 are extremely important verses. 25 also, Yanti Deva Vrita Devan Pitin Yanti Pitrivitaka. Bhutani Yanti Bhutechya. All these people go what they worship, but Yanti Madhyaji no Pimam. One who worships me will come to me. Hare Krishna. Okay. Yes, now we are going to how to talk about the glories of the Lord. Yes, Ritvika Mataji, you all repeat this verse. Extremely important verse. Patram pushpam palam toyam.
Patram
Patram
pushpam
pushpam phalam
phalam
toyam.
toyam.
Yo me bhaktya prayachati.
Yo me bhaktaya prayachati.
Prayachati.
Tadaham bhakti upahritam.
Tadaham
Tadayam
bhakti
bhakti
upahitam.
uparitam.
Ashnami prayat atmanaha.
Ashnami
Nami
prayatmanaha.
pratyatmanaha.
In this verse, the beauty is the bhaktya bhakti word has come 2 times. Bhakti means it is not devotion. Srila Prabhupada has defined bhakti as devotional service. Okay, so we have to remember, Yome bhaktya prayachati. Whatever you do with love, loving devotion, whatever you do with devotion, tadagam bhakti upakrita, whatever you give with love, I accept it. Who gave Patram? Who gave Patram to Krishna? Hare Krishna. Pushpam, all of you know. Palam toyam, think. Hare Krishna.
Yes, Mataji.
Who gave Patram?
Devotees, Mataji.
Oh, Prabhu, devotees always give.
Ah,
No. Krishna is
Tulsi.
telling devotees should give me. I don't want big chapan bog. I want only patram pushpam palam doyam, but with love. You give with love, I will accept. I am asking in stories, Bhagavatam stories.
There are
Patram.
many
Acha,
stories,
Mataji.
Mataji, for Patram.
No, Prabhu, particularly one story is there. Yes. Yeah, who said Ananya Mataji? I saw you
Gundicha,
on mute.
Mataji.
Who?
Gundicha. The Jagannath ji.
Jagannath.
She gives
Okay.
neem patram, Mataji.
Yeah, but correct. But along with Patram, she gave many more things also. Very correct. Beautiful
Yes,
example. Correct. One person gave only one Patram, one leaf. One leaf. That's what he wants.
Tulsi Mata.
Who gave? Correct. Haribol. Who gave? Okay. See, actually,
He was he was
in
not feeling.
Prabhuji, no devotee.
No?
She's also a devotee, but it's a story.
Yes,
Story.
Mataji.
Who?
You
One
told
name.
one time,
Gave
Mataji.
me one name. One name. One devotee's name. Yes. Okay. Rukmini. What did she do? She, they had to give that Tulabharam, we say, no? So
Yes,
equal
Mataji.
weight.
Yeah.
Right? So they kept on. Every Krishna was down only. Then Rukmani brought one Tulasi leaf and she kept
And
that
with all
Tulasi leaf.
love and devotion, she gave that tulsi.
Yes, same
Yeah.
way in Vrindavan, all the Vrindavan Vasi, the Govardhan was eating and eating and eating. Whole nearby village people brought everything and gave everything offered. Nothing now is left. They don't know what to do. Then they offered one tulasi at the feet of Govardhan. He immediately, oh, that's it. Right? So tulasi leaf. Who gave pushpam? Narayana, Akhila Guru, Bhagavan Namaste. Who said? Gajendra. Gajendra, after fighting for 1,000 years, he plucked one lotus leaf and he called the Supreme Personality of Godhead by lifting its trunk with the lotus feet. Narayana, Akhila Guru, Bhagavan Namaste. He remembered previous birth, he was Indradumna, king. नेगा विक्रमनाशोस्ति प्रत्यवायो न विद्यते स्वल्पमप्यस्य धर्मस्य. Correct? So he did lot of pious activities in the previous birth. So he remembered. Who gave palam? This everybody knows. Who gave palam to Krishna? Vidurani. What did she do? She gave the banana peel. Krishna lovingly accepted because she gave with love. On the same day, Duryodhana invited Krishna for Chappan Bhog. You only take it like that. Udasina Vadasinam. So he was neutral. Udasina means neutral. Krishna did not tell anything. He was neutral. He told Duryodhana, no. Vidura is waiting for me. Like that he came. Vidura was not at home only. Only Vidurani was there. In fact, it is beautifully, explained that she was actually having bath. And when the knock sound she heard, somehow she got it. It is Krishna. She came running. And she saw Krishna, that's it. Krishna, in fact, gave his Angavastra to her. And she did not have anything at home. Whatever banana was kept for offering to Krishna on that day, she brought and she was looking at Krishna's face and throwing the banana back and giving the peel. One more person, who gave? Palam, berries. Who gave berries to the Lord? Chabari, yes, Hare Krishna. Okay, Hare Krishna. Toyam. Toyam is actually water, but we can take it as milk also. Who gave milk to Krishna? Yashoda Maya, right? So he accepts everything lovingly. So nice. This should be your formula for your life. You all want to go, Krishna told, you come and live with me. If you all want to go to Krishna and live with him, this is the only formula we have to adapt in our life. Okay, all of you tell with full force. Yet karoshi yed asnasi.
Yat
Yat
karosi
karosi yat
asnasi
asnasi.
Yad jugosi tadasi yad.
Yat
Yat
josi
juhosi
yat
tadasi yat.
Yad tapasyasi kaunteya.
yat
Yat
tapashi
tapasyasi
kaunteya
kaunteya.
Tat kurusva madh arpanam.
tat kurusham
Kurusva madha arpanam.
matpanam.
Yes, Vamshidhar Prabhu, read translation.
O son of Kunti, all that you do, all that you eat, all that you offer, give away as well as austerities that you may perform should be done as an offering unto me.
Yeah, Hari Bol, Hare Krishna Prabhu. You have told no, whatever sannyasa also you take, Yajna Dana Tapa, we should not sacrifice. Sorry, we should not renounce. Yajna Dana Tapa, austerity and Yajna, fire sacrifice and charity. We should never give up, right? So we have to perform these three. Whenever we perform these three, we should not think, Karta Ahamiti Manyate. We should do with that mindset, consciousness. Krishna, I am doing it for your pleasure. Krishna, I am doing this for, like you have given me so much and this is an offering to you. Whatever we eat, so that is why we should say, Mahaprasade Govinde, Nama Brahmani Vaishnave. We should tell that prasada, shlokam, and then honor. Bhoga is offered, prasadam is honored. We should honor the prasada with that mantra. And anything we offer, the bhoga we are offering, we have to offer, telling Krishna, for you I am doing. We should not go and tell everybody as if we are attached to our karma. I offered today, I made this, today I offer this. Nothing, no need. We are doing it for the pleasure of Krishna. This is a very, very important verse, okay? Yad, yad, yad. Karoshi, asnasi, tadasi. Yajna, dana, tapa. Tat kurusva madhu arpanam. That's all. Yad karosi, yad asnasi, yad dadati. Tat kurusva madhu arpanam. Okay, Hare Krishna Prabhu, read Prabhu.
We Mataji,
Yeah.
what is the most confidential knowledge following act and offering to Krishna? Whatever you do, Krishna yoga, karma yoga, nishkama karma yoga. Yes, nishkama karma yoga. Do the following as an offering to Krishna. Whatever you eat, whatever you offer, whatever you give away, whatever you austerities you perform, what's the difference in offering of pure devotees and us? Quality of devotion, quality of reciprocation in what is this? The proportion, in proportion to our devotion, Krishna will be reciprocate.
Yeah, he tells, no, yenamam upayanti te. What is that? Yenamam upayanti te. What is the beginning? That is also bhajanti. Satatam kirtay, no. Same word it will come. When you worship, how much you worship, accordingly, I give it to you. Yenamam upayanti te.
6th chapter, I think, Mataji.
No, Yanti Deva only is coming. Today we'll read just now Yanti Deva. No, that is coming. Leave it. How much you worship me, that much I will reciprocate to you. This only, Prabhuji. Chipram bhavati dharmatma shachashvantim nigachati kaunteya pratijanihi. No. Okay, I'll tell you, it will come to me. Yeah, next verse. This is also very important verse. Actually, this tells about 1 minute. Yeah. Shubha Shubha Palairyevam Mokshase Karma Bandhanaihi.
Subha Phalar Evam Mokshase Karma Bandhanehi.
Sannyasa Yoga Yuktatma Vimukto Mam Upashyasi.
Sannyasa Yoga Yuktamam Vimukto Mam Upashyasi.
Upashyasi. Yes, Prabhu, read.
In this way, you will be freed from bondage to work and its auspices and inauspicious result with your mind fixed on me. In this principle of renunciation, you will be liberated. liberated and come to me. Bhagavad Gita 9.28.
Okay, so Shubha Shubha Palairaivam. Shubha Karya we say no, auspicious. Shubha Ashubha. Whether it is auspicious or whether it is inauspicious. Once again. That is Satatam Yuktava Yedikim. Tesham Satata Yuktanam Bhajatam Priti Purvakam. Dadami Buddhi Yogam Tam Yena Mam Upayantite 10.10. Tomorrow's chapter that is. So Yena Mam Upayantite Tesham Satata Yuktanam. How much ever you worship, Tesham Satata Yuktanam Bhajatam Priti Purvakam Dadami Buddhi Yogam Tam Yena Chatushloki. That 10.10, one of the shloka process. So here also he is saying whether it is auspicious or inauspicious. If you surrender to me, what will happen? You will not be bound. You will be freed from all bondage. And what do you have to do? Sannyasa yoga yuktatma. You have to fix your mind. You are on me. Then you have to renounce. If your mind is fixed on me, you will be automatically renouncing the karma pala. So you will not be attached to the karma pala. That is a way to get liberated, right? What is sannyasa? Sannyasa is not leaving everything and going. Sannyasa is leaving the karma pala at the lotus feet of at the feet of the lotus Lord, Supreme Personality of Godhead. That too we know, no, what is that? 2.47. What is 24/7? 2.47. Karmanyevadikaraste mapaleshu kadachana ma karma pala heturbhur mate atsangotsva karmani. That's what he said. Do your duty. Surrender the result unto me. From second chapter we are learning that. Okay, that is the Sannyasa Yoga Yukta. So what is Sannyasa Yoga Yukta? That is why this is Yukta Vairagyam. Just now I told the verse. You remember? Yukta Vairagyam Uchyate. Anasaktasya Vishayan Yatargam Upayunjate. Nectar of Devotion says. Nirbande Krishna Sambande. What is Nirbande Krishna Sambande? Nothing but Yat Karoshi Yadasnasi. Nirbande, you don't get attached to, give it to me, offer it to me. Nirbande, Krishna Sambande, use everything in relation to Krishna. Yukta Vairagyam Uchyate, that is a Yukta Vairagya. Leaving that, why are you becoming a Falgu Vairagi? Falgu Vairagi is a pretender. You remember? He takes the sannyasa dress and he pretends. Dongi Sadhu, one more word we saw. What is another word we saw? Pretender. What is the Sanskrit word we saw for that pretender? Not getting. That's a beautiful word again. Huh?
Bhangi.
Come again, Prabhu. I couldn't hear.
Bhangi. Pretender means bhangi.
No, there is one more word. One more word. It comes in the, I think, 4th chapter. Yes. Okay. So you have to surrender, fix your mind at my lotus feet and leave the karma pala. Okay? Yes. Whose turn now? Viraj Prabhu, Hare Krishna. Read Prabhu. Samogam sarvabhuteshu.
Mithyachari.
Hari Hari Bol. Thank you, Prabhuji. Thank you, Loknath Prabhu. Yeah, Mithyachari. Beautiful. Hari Bol. Wonderful. Thank you. Otherwise, no, my mind will be thinking of that only. I will not be able to. Thank you so much. Yes, Viraj Prabhu.
Mataji, it's 8:12 already.
Oh, he said. Viraj Prabhu didn't get a chance. Only this was. Okay? Prabhu, will you repeat? Thank you for reminding me, Mataji. Samogam sarva bhuteshu name dvesho asti na priyaha.
Samoham sarvabhuteshu na devisho asti na prayah.
Ye bhajanti tu mam bhaktya maite teshu chapyakam.
Ye bhajanti tu mam bhaktya mayi tesu kada aham.
Yes, Prabhu, read the translation also and tomorrow I will explain.
Okay. I envy no one, nor am I partial to anyone. I am equal to all, but whoever renders service unto me in
Hare
devotion
Krishna.
is a friend, is in me, and I am also a friend to him.
Hari Hari Bol. Thank you, Prabhuji. This we already discussed. Neighbors, example and all we took, know why they are doing. So Krishna is not partial to anyone. He is equal to everyone. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Vanchakalpata Rupasya Kripa Sindhu Bhayavacha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha Ananta Koti Vaishnava ki Jai, Srila Prabhupada ki Jai, Srimad Bhagavad Gita ki Jai, Namanisha Prabhu ki Jai. All
Jai.
glories to assembled devotees.
Hare Hare Krishna.
All glories to assembled devotees.
Hare
All
Krishna.
glories to Guru and Gauranga. Hari Hari Bol. Is Ananya Mataji there? Yes, let us all chant once Hare Krishna Maha Mantra for Ananya Mataji. Yesterday was her birthday. So we all will wish her very, very happy Krishna conscious birthday. Okay, so let us all chant once for Mataji. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Rama,
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Rama,
Krishna
Rama
Krishna,
Rama,
Hare
Hare
Hare.
Hare.